Well, it was a busy day in the Stilfontein Magistrates Court today. 21 suspected illegal miners arrested in a takedown operation earlier this week made their first appearance. They will remain behind bars for at least another week because addresses and nationalities still have to be verified. Meanwhile, 88 other suspected zamas appeared in another courtroom. Well, they were arrested in October last year after a shootout with police in the nearby town of Orkney. eNCA's Moloko Moloto was in court in Stilfontein. He joins us now. Moloko, so lots on the go, two separate cases quite far apart. Let's start with the most recent. That's the 21 suspected illegal miners. Talk to me about what they're accused of doing and what happened in court today.
So, Sally, on Monday, the police went on a raid at one of the disused mines in Stilfontein, and they arrested 20 suspected illegal miners. However, the police say subsequently they arrested an additional person, bringing the number to 21. He was caught on surveillance camera supplying the illegal miners with food at the site. Now, the police are saying during the arrest they managed to seize all assortment of weapons, including 15 AK-47s. You would recall that they are prohibited in South Africa, so that is a charge. But they are also charged for being in possession of ammunition unlawfully, so 6,000 rounds of ammunition. They also were charged for trespassing, and also they were charged for possessing the minerals, gold specifically. Now, they appeared in court today, 21 of them, and the presiding officer said that the media should not publicize their names as well as their faces. No reasons were given really, but the state has indicated that it has not been able to profile them. It requires time. You would recall that 13 of them come from Lesotho, and also they were charged for violating immigration laws. So the state has until next week on the 18th, Tuesday, it would be in, so that it can profile, and they will be back in court. Let's listen, of course, to one of the people who were outside court, who said she is a partner of one of the 21 men. She was just expressing frustration at the fact that her partner got arrested. Let's listen to her. Sally?
It's sad because, you know, I cannot imagine or get lost of everyone, because one of them in Elementwaka NA already, like, planning to we were already wanted to start a business, survive. So we wanted more. So I see also things are going to be a little bit hard.
You don't think do you think yet?
That one, I think it's off to the judges. So for that, I cannot.
All right, let's now move to the other case, and that is the 88 other suspects. And they were arrested after a shootout, I think, in Orkney last year. So that was a year ago. Is there any connection between the 21 that you've just spoken about and the 88 from last year?
So, Sally, the 21 appeared in the Stilfontein Magistrates Court inside courtroom 1. Now, on the other courtroom, which is courtroom 2, the 88 suspects appeared there. Now, we were told that they were actually arrested in October last year. You would recall there was a raid at a mine in Orkney, which is a nearby town in the northwest. So during that time, there was an exchange of fire between the miners and the police, and unfortunately 6 of the miners were shot and killed. The police therefore arrested this 88. So today they were appearing in court. Of course, they have been appearing in the past months, Sally. It actually emerged in court that their lawyer, the lawyer of 87, the 88th one, has decided to utilize the services of Legal Aid South Africa. Now, the lawyer, private lawyer who's representing 87 suspects, has not been appearing or attending the previous courts. Today's was the second and he did not show up. Now the 87 decided that they will now get another lawyer and they are ditching that previous lawyer. But in terms of the rules of the court, that lawyer still has to come and confirm in writing to the court that he is no longer going to be representing them. The connection between these two groups, Sally, is that they are engaging in illegal mining according to the states, but they are mining in various parts of this province, which speaks to the remarks made by the Minister of Police yesterday, Becky Cele, who says that the provinces that are highly problematical when it comes to illegal mining includes the Northwest, Limpopo, Mpumalanga, the Free State, as well as Gauteng. In Gauteng, he's saying there are about 6,000 shafts where they need to be rehabilitated and shut. There are illegal activities. But let's listen to the new lawyer who has now accepted to represent the 87th, and they are going to be back in court on the 15th of November. Let's listen to the lawyer.
We intend to bring a bail application on behalf of our clients, and thereafter on the 15th of November, when the matter has been remanded to, we intend to conduct a pre-trial conference, which is the preliminary stage before we set a trial date.
All right, well, thank you so much for updating us on both those cases, Moloko Moloto.